Namaskar, today is Friday. It is 10th of December and today is a special day because it is celebrated as Human Rights Day as declared by the United Nations. What is the theme of it? The theme of it is equality. Why that's needed to be a theme? It's needed to be a theme because to our common experience we have seen we discriminate people based upon the color of their skin, based upon the dressing pattern which they do, based upon the country from which they come. Some are considered to be intelligent, some are considered to be dumb, based upon the caste, creed, family where they are born. So, because of these prejudices, we tend to discriminate between people and have a different attitude towards them. So, the theme is equality for this day. On this day, we create a lot of awareness saying that all people who are born are equal. I'll give you an example. I work for the people with disabilities. And there is a act which was passed in the year 2016 known as RPWD Act or Rights of Person with Disability Acts. This Rights of Person with Disability Act was passed just to ensure that people with disabilities have equal rights, and it is the responsibility of the society to ensure that equal rights are given. I'll give you an example. For example, there is a person with the genius of Professor Stephen Hawking, and this gentleman has to come to deliver a lecture in the auditorium of NIPMED. I'll not name NIPMED. NIPMED has all the accessible facilities in the auditorium of a particular college. So as he gets out of the wheelchair, he sees that there are some 6 flights of stairs. His wheelchair cannot navigate through it. With a lot of effort, somebody picks him up, and a clumsy environment puts down the moral of the person, right? Goes up. Then he again travels, but as he goes up, he finds that the lift into which he has to enter doesn't have enough turning space. Still he is adjusted, accommodated, taken up. As he comes out, he sees the conference hall has a threshold. Again somebody has to lift. Then again as he goes up, he cannot use the stage because the stage is this high and there is no ramp to it. So finally by the end, it's not by the end, by the moment he starts delivering his lecture, he is harassed, physically tired, mentally down, because he could not independently navigate to the stage. Take the other way. At NIPMED he comes. As he gets down the bus, he sees that there is a wonderful 1:20 ramp which takes him to the building. The building doesn't have thresholds. It has sidebars, 1:14 ramp. Easily independently uses his wheelchair. Goes into the lift, turns, puts up, goes up to the 3rd floor. Signages are there, conference hall, sees that, paddles his wheelchair, goes to the stage, everybody stands and clap, gets up to the stage because there is a ramp available and the microphone at the appropriate level, delivers his lecture, comes back, dignity of the person, accessibility of the person. That means if we just bring about a change in design of the infrastructure, approximately 15% of the population which has disabilities, WHO data 2011, can be a productive part of the society. But we don't do it. Why? Because we think chalta hai, it's normal. No. So we tend to miss the needs of people with disabilities, 15% of the population. Once we are sensitive towards the need, automatically we will be building our infrastructure in a accessible way, in a universal design, and automatically people with disability will be a part of the society, contributing, taxpayers, happy to be there. This primary thought is behind the Accessible India campaign. Thus, we need to have the same attitude towards all people. Equality is the theme for 2021. This is how human rights and disabilities are very well connected, and the law which has been passed is Rights of Persons with Disability Act. So let us all on this day, the Human Rights Day, vouch that we will have a broad perspective and we will not have prejudices to distinguish and discriminate between people. Thank you, one and all.